Hey everyone, this is Luke with C-StARR at Duke University. In this video, I'm just going to walk through very briefly how to check your iOS software if you're not certain how to do that. So to install the Ears app and run it properly, you need at least iOS 13. It's really simple to check whether or not you have that. So you want to find your settings. Mine's up here at the top, and you want to tap on that. And here in your main settings menu, you'll just scroll down to General. It'll be one of the top kind of subgroups. You'll tap on it, and at the very top, the About section, you can tap on that. And the second listing there will say your software version, so mine's 13.5.1. Anything beyond 13 is fine, 13.2, 13.4, whatever, but it needs to be at least 13 for the Ears app to run properly for this study. And if you go in there and you find that it's not 13 and you would like to update it to 13 in order to participate in this study, you can just go back, and on that general page that we got to, right beneath About, there will be a little tab for software update. You can tap on that. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, it'll list some sort of information about the currently available software and give you an option to update it. And if you go ahead and do that, then you'll be able to participate in the Raise Up study as long as you get it to that iOS 13. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.